Hello, and welcome to Stuff of Things. I'm Tyler, and I'm going to be your host for this evening, and probably every other evening or morning, day, whenever you're watching this. In this new little web series that we've got going on here, we're going to be learning how to build games for androids. In all honesty, I know nothing about coding for androids. My background is actually in video work, graphic design, and I do know a little bit of HTML, CSS, but not what it actually goes into building apps for Android. I'll actually be working through a book called Unity Android Game Development by Example Beginner's Guide by Thomas Finnegan. I actually know Tom. He is a teacher of mine, so I will actually be able to get input from him. If any problems arise, I'll actually get to go talk to him, and we'll be able to figure these things out, the problems that I come up with. And that being said, if you care to learn, if you care to follow along with me in this little adventure, I highly advise you get the book. You can find it on Amazon. You can download for Kindle, or any ebook really, or get the hard copy like I have. Now, I won't actually be reading it word for word, but I will be kind of going through it, talking about the problems that I faced, the struggles I came up with. The book was originally written for Windows computers, and I'm going to be working off of a Mac just because that's what I own. So there are a few different things, two extra steps that you actually have to go through in order to get everything to work properly. And I actually do have other friends that actually do coding for Androids and iPhones, so they know their way around computers and the coding and all that stuff. So I'll have a lot of input and a lot of help just backing me. As well as going through the book, I am also going to be working on my own game that I'm working on with a friend called Splatter. So what I'll be doing with that is going through some concept art and going through different things that go into actually creating a game, the thought behind it, the planning, all the planning that needs to go through it, logistics, legality, and all that different things too as well. With all that being said, I hope you decide you want to take along and you want to continue on this adventure with me, and hope that you actually follow along as well. I will be more than willing to answer or try to answer any questions that you guys have. You can feel free to just post them down below in the comments. If problems arise in the book or with different coding, or you're trying to create your own thing and you're not sure what's going on, so you're having problems with something, with the help of my friends that I have, I will do my best to help you guys figure that out. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button. You can also find me on Facebook and Twitter. And I'm sorry for wasting your time. Goodbye.